Oh, hi people, today I wanted to show to you tutorial when you use Sculpt the brush. Sculpt the brush sometimes doesn't affect back face polygon faces. If this happens, I have to perform a couple steps before I will show to you. I just wanted to apply multi-resolution because I need higher resolution mesh with more details. Give me a few seconds. Okay. First, we need to apply scale. Also check for your normals if they are properly displayed, because this is important as well. If any of the normals aren't facing properly, then your sculpt brush will not work properly. How to fix it? You can use mesh, normals, recalculate outside. They are being displayed properly. Also there's option like backface cooling. It could be useful when you work with X-ray. I turn this on because I find it easy. In orthographic viewport, we will be testing our sculpt brush in a minute. Sculpt mode. We need to use grab 2D options, symmetry, fall off. I use instead of sphere because sphere only move 1 point from polygon object, not entire mesh. This option is better for moving entire polygon. Or you can see I moved all polygons at once. Check other advanced settings. Make sure you deselect auto masking if you see this on, because I checked on the internet. They mentioned that you should turn this option off. And we will be testing in orthographic viewport our sculpt brush. Size of the brush plays key role when you change sculpt size of the brush, and also different presets, but mainly use a grab 2D brush to move invisible points which are hidden. And don't forget about this option. I think this is important too. So, because when you select this option, you can see your mesh as a transparent mesh. Okay, let's check a different preset. Root. I think this option will be interesting. So our brush behaves completely different, but at the same time you have to consider resizing your brush. It all depends what preset are we using. Okay, let's get back to to perspective viewport. As you can see, we have got higher resolution mesh. Let's check. Oh, it works okay. I will check in in this viewport, but make sure you check also linear. This is our different preset. You can see it doesn't grab vertices the same way. Inverse, square, or it grabs polygon vertices different way. What we could check as well, constant, also it will behave completely different. Smoother. Oh, it's not perfect for moving this. I think the best option for me was inverse square to move this mesh. When I am talking about perspective viewport, so you can see behavior of the mesh is not as beautiful as I thought. I think you should try to use orthographic viewport instead, and different preset, preset linear. I haven't checked this one. It's not too hard. I think I think Sculpt brush works very well in orthographic viewport, and please check all your normals if they are facing correctly, because this is very crucial. And I don't know if any other people, when they published video tutorial, they even mentioned that. Okay, let's get back to that. I have to check something. Mesh, shading, smooth faces. Our normals are still facing okay, which is good. Cavity. I just have to turn this on for a minute. I want to check how Sculpt brush will work if I choose this viewport. It also depends how many vertices do you have and how they are placing towards each other. Okay, sharp. I like this preset because you can drill hole inside polygon mesh. But unfortunately, there's small disadvantage of using this brush. But after I showed it to you, hopefully you like my video tutorial how to fix Sculpt brush doesn't affect back faces, polygon back faces. Wait a minute, polygon back faces. Sculpt brush does not affect polygon back faces. I will have to go to work in a minute. Okay, let's check if I can still apply multi-resolution. Oh, this even looks cooler than what we had before. Apply. But please always check for your normals and also check for scale to apply scale. Very important when you work with sculpt brushes. I think I will check how does brush behave right now after when we applied I just have to double check the behavior of the sculpt brush. In this case, I cannot make this bigger. Because I want to model interesting shape. We almost model the shape of the flower. You can create fantastic shapes even moving invisible vertices points. But I would suggest for you to use the proper topology for brush to work correctly. And I hope you like my video tutorial. See you guys.